Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find copyright-free music for your YouTube video. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So first of all, you have to open any of your web browser. Here I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser, and after then you will see an interface like this. Normally you have to type on the address bar studio.youtube.com, and then you will see the dashboard for your YouTube channel. Normally if you can't see this interface, then you have to log in with your Google email and password for your channel, and after then you will see the exact this interface. Now if you click on the audio library option on the left sidebar, you will see many musics available for you. Here you can see that there are so many musics and there are so many pages. Either you can select 100. So you can play all of the musics one by one, which you like. And after choosing music, you can click on this download button to download the music, and you can use this music for creation and for creating or editing your YouTube videos for free. All of the musics are totally copyright free. You will not get any copyright claim or a strike. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to download copyright free music for your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.